Hi and welcome. Today let's have a quick start with Roblox Studio. Use WSAD to move and EQ to pan. For marketplace assets, you can find in the toolbox window in the left side panel. Let's search for ball. Click on it to place ball object to the scene. Let test playing. Press E to enter the vehicle. Let sliding down the slope. But I could not pass the river. Now time to make a part to help us fly over the river. Select part, wedge. Use move tool to move. Rotate to rotate. And scale to scale bigger. Let's change the color to green. Now we need to speed up our ball. Select ball object. Search speed property on the right side. Increase value to 250. Save the project. Go to File, Save to Roblox. Time to test. Perfect, I did it. I hope you also can do this easily. Thank you for watching.